Up until now, we've worked with a view called the Gantt view, and I can see the Gantt chart view on my view bar. I can also see it to the very left of my task tab in the ribbon. If you don't see your view bar on the left hand side, I'll just right click on the left and I'll get rid of my view bar. You need to turn your view bar on, and so I can turn it back on by right clicking the left of my screen and choosing view bar. So turn on your view bar if you haven't already got it on. Now the Gantt chart is the most popular view, but there are other ways of viewing your project. One view, which you can see on the view bar, is the network diagram. And this is the old PERT diagram that used to be popular in project management. PERT is an acronym. PERT stands for Program, Evaluation and Review Technique. And this is another way that you can view your project. If I go to the bottom right of my screen, I can click the minus button and zoom out. And you can see that your project appears as a PERT. But why the PERT has lost favour is because the amount of pages and the amount of space it takes, as you can see here. If I rest on any particular box, it zooms in and tells me the particular task. Another way of viewing your project is to go to Calendar in your view bar. If I click on Calendar, this is another way that I can view my project, and this might make sense to some readers more than the Gantt chart. This is a month view, and I can move to September, October, and back to August. I can also see a week view by clicking the week button at the top, and I can move again, forward through the weeks and backward through the weeks. Or I can even go to Custom, and in here I can stipulate the number of weeks I see, maybe 2, and OK. And then I can go back to month. So Calendar is another way to view your project. But the most popular way of viewing a project plan is the Gantt chart. And the Gantt chart is named after Henry Gantt. Henry Gantt was the gentleman who developed the Gantt chart.